Dear students, now we read the fourth paragraph of Unit 1, Lesson 5, Our Runaway Kite. In the previous class, we read first to third para. Now we start the fourth para. The funny part used to be that people always pitied us when the time came for us to return. So here we already know that it is a narrative story narrated by Philippa, the little girl here, and she said that the funny part, the interesting part used to be that people always pitied us. The people of the mainland, we already know that in the winter, Philippa, Claudie and their father moved to the inland. So when they were in the inland, the people of the inland always pitied them, always make pity on mainly Claudie and Philippa. When the time came for departure, time came to depart the inland, as when the spring came to return their dear island, people always make pity on them. They said, we must be so lonesome over there with no other children near us. So what they told? They told that Philippa and Claudie must be very alone there. Lonesome means alone over there with no other children to play with Philippa and Claudie with them. Of course, Claudie and I would have liked to have someone to play with us. So, as you all know that, like you, like the teenagers, they are required many playmates to play a game, especially a team game. But here, in the island, Big Half Moon Island, there were nobody to play with Claudie and Philippa. So, she told that the Claudie and I would have liked to have someone to play with us. It is hard to run pirate caves and things like that with only two. She also tells that it is hard, it is very difficult to run pirate caves. Pirate caves is a special game in which the children hide and seek into the caves. Pirate caves, I show you a image. It is a pirate cave. Here in this cave the children play with them, and it is also a pirate cave picture. You saw that here one crawls into the cave, and it is the picture of a inside of the pirate cave, inside of the cave. There is a rumor that all the dacoits theft all the old gold ornaments and many precious stones and hide those into a cave. So, for them, for Claudie and Philippa, it was very difficult to play the pirate caves with only two persons. But we used to quarrel a good deal with the mainland children in winter. But Claudie and Philippa don't give up their spirit. They quarrel a good deal with the mainland children in winter. When they go to the mainland in winter, they always quarrel with the mainland children. So it was perhaps just as well that there were none of them on the Big Half Moon. So, as in the Big Half Moon Island, there were nobody to quarrel except Philippa, Litty and Claudie Litty, the only brother and a sister. So, there was no scope to quarrel with anybody else, to play with anybody else. Claudie and I never quarreled. So, Claudie and Philippa, they both are all, they have to play with themselves. So, they became friends. So, Claudie and Philippa never quarreled. So, it is the fourth para. I think you all understand. Okay. Thank you.